Time now for our weekly trip to the garage, Pat Goss's garage, where Motor Week's master tech keeps us up to date and in the know with only the best car care advice.
John, the majority of automobiles have automatic transmissions these days. And automatic transmissions are very efficient, they're very reliable, and they're very durable. That is, if you give them proper preventive maintenance. That proper preventive maintenance comes in the form of changing the fluid and the filter inside the transmission itself. You refer to your owner's manual for the intervals when you should be doing that. If the owner's manual doesn't state when, 2 years or 24,000 miles is a good period of time to change the fluid. But there's a problem. And the problem is when you change fluid in the normal manner, the only thing you're changing is what's in the bottom of the transmission in the pan. Now, up here in the front of the transmission is the torque converter, which has the majority of the fluid. And on most cars, there is no practical way to drain the fluid out of the torque converter. So all you're doing is putting 3 or 4 quarts of new fluid into a transmission that may hold 10 to 15 quarts. Well, that's better than nothing, but there is a solution. Auto Tool Corporation has this transmission flush machine. Now, this hooks up to the automobile. You take the pan down, and once the pan is down, there are adapters that are hooked up to the transmission. The vehicle is run, and while it is being run, this machine circulates fresh fluid through the transmission to flush all of the old stuff out. This revitalizes everything inside the transmission. You have all clean fluid, and it can significantly extend the life expectancy of your automatic transmission. Well, it does cost a little bit more, but there is the potential for having a longer service interval with this. So it's something that you really should consider if you want your transmission to live a long and healthy life. And if you have a question or a comment, write to me. If I use your letter, I'll send you a Motor Week t-shirt. The address is Motor Week, Owings Mills, Maryland, 21117.